My two favorite ways of deriving the quadratic formula. Okay. This is the first way, so 1. Right, 1. So as you know, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So first, you subtract c from both sides, so we get plus bx equals negative c, and then we divide by a, so x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a, and then we add to both sides, we do plus b squared over 4 a squared equals b squared over 4 a squared minus c over a. And then we do ax squared plus b over a x plus b squared over 4 a squared equals b squared over 4 a squared, but then we have b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared, and this equals x plus b over 2a squared, b squared over 4a squared, which equals same thing, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, or 4a squared, and then we take the square, so x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then all we do is subtract b over 2a from both sides to get x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Our friend, the quadratic formula, right there. So that was the first way. And this is another way of doing it. So ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, right? And now, all we do is we multiply by, here, we do we do here, a squared x squared plus abx plus ac equals 0. And then we do ax plus, b over 2 squared. So we have a squared x squared plus abx over 2 plus abx over 2. And then we have plus b squared over 4. So we have to do this equals a squared x squared plus abx plus b squared over 4, and that equals, so that makes it a squared x squared plus abx plus b squared over 4 equals, b squared over 4 minus ac. So now we can write this as here. So now we can write this as ax plus b over 2 squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4, right? Make the square, so we have ax plus b over 2 equals plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and then over square root of 4 is 2. And then we just do, now we have ax equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2. Now we just divide by a, so this is going to be x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. There we go. So yeah, I hope you liked this. Just wanted to share my 2 favorite ways of deriving the quadratic formula. I think there are like plenty more. I'm not sure how many more there are. But those are the first 2 I was taught. And yeah.